Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Prafulla. She is a very special patient. She came to me in year back. Her son, Mr. Shrikant, got her on a wheelchair. I remember her. She's 78. She was unable to walk. She had severe arthritis in both the knees, and they got her on a wheelchair. It took me nearly 3 to 6 months to get her ready for the surgery because she had multiple health problems. Today she has come nearly 6 to 8 months after the surgery. She will talk to us in Kannada about her experience before and after surgery, how the knee replacement in both her knees has helped her. Before that, let her show her knee movements. I want you to see the knee movements. If you can just show the knees, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಿ knee movements. How good, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ಮಡಚಿ. Please bend both the knees, straighten both the knees, madchi. So now she is going to talk in Kannada. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡೀತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಸರ್ಜರಿಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ 2 ದಿವಸ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಡೆಯೋಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 24 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ 9 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 6 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Thank you so much. Shrikant, would you like to add anything? Yeah, this is Shrikant. He's an excellent singer. Incidentally, Raghu. He's an excellent singer. So he will talk a few words.
First, as she told, I came to Dr. Deepak almost close to a year ago, and he directly proposed surgery. We cannot do anything apart from surgery, but to prepare her for surgery, as she was in a wheelchair, took 3-4 months almost from that time. And after that, she had also courage, and when doctor really, he followed up more than me actually, both of us. He followed up every week, get the test done, everything. It's really, life-changing surgery for her especially. She goes for all the functions, etc., all programs, extra. Now she's on her own now.
Yeah. Incidentally, Mrs. Prafulla is the granddaughter of the Mysore Royal Court astrologer, and they write the Panchangam for the I think the Mysore Panchanga. Yes, right. Yeah, very nice to know. Thank you so much. Thank you both of you. Yeah, thanks.